Finding the right sewing machine can make a huge difference whether you're patching up a torn seam, starting a DIY project, or diving into your first quilt. In 2025, machines have become smarter, easier to use, and more beginner-friendly than ever before. From computerized controls to built-in stitch guides, today's options offer something for everyone, from first-timers to seasoned hobbyists. In this video, we're breaking down the top 6 sewing machines you should consider right now. We'll cover the key features, what they're best suited for, and the things to keep in mind before making your pick. Number 6. Singer Simple 3337. If you're just starting out or only sew occasionally, the Singer Simple 3337 is a solid choice for an entry-level machine. It's built with beginners in mind, offering just enough features to help you get comfortable without being overwhelming. Whether you're hemming pants, stitching up tote bags, or trying out decorative stitches, it covers the basics well. This machine comes with 29 built-in stitches, including utility, decorative, and stretch options. There's also a one-step buttonhole and a simple stitch selection dial that lets you cycle through choices without a fuss. The automatic needle threader is a small touch, but one that saves time and frustration, and the free arm makes it easier to handle sleeves, cuffs, and smaller circular areas. It's lightweight, right around 12 pounds, so it's easy to store or bring along to sewing classes. While it's capable of handling light canvas and denim, it really shines with cotton, blends, and medium-weight fabrics. Mechanical controls keep things straightforward. No screens or menus to deal with. The front-loading bobbin works well once you're used to it, though beginners may need a little practice at first. It includes a few essential accessories: presser feet, a darning plate, and a soft dust cover. A couple of trade-offs: it doesn't have a speed control slider, so it's all foot pedal, and it's not built for heavy-duty or thick quilt layers. But for a basic, dependable machine at a beginner-friendly price, the Singer Simple 3337 gets the job done with minimal hassle. Best suited for students, new sewists, and casual users who want something that just works. Number 5. Janome 3160QECT. If you're looking for a machine that blends portability with advanced features, the Janome 3160QECT is worth considering. It's built with quilters and experienced home sewers in mind, offering the reliability Janome is known for, along with helpful tools that make precise sewing easier. It includes 60 built-in stitches, covering utility, decorative, and quilting needs. You also get 6 one-step buttonholes, all accessible through an intuitive backlit LCD screen. Navigation is simple. Just press the buttons to choose your stitch, and the screen shows you the recommended settings. The built-in needle threader and top-loading bobbin take some of the hassle out of setup, and the automatic thread cutter is a bonus you won't want to give up once you've used it. Performance-wise, this machine is smooth and steady. It's quiet during operation and feels solid even when working through thicker materials like denim or layered quilt tops. Stitching is consistent and the tension stays even throughout. At around 12 pounds, it's light enough to carry to a class or move around your workspace. The extension table gives you extra room for bigger projects, and it comes with multiple presser feet plus a hard protective case. Not always standard at this price point. It's a bit more expensive than beginner models, and the throat space is smaller than what you find on a full-size quilting machine. But for the size and feature set, it's well balanced. Best for intermediate users or quilters who need a machine that travels well but doesn't sacrifice stitch quality or control. Number 4. Brother HC1850. For those looking to step into computerized sewing without going over budget, the Brother HC1850 offers a great mix of functionality and ease of use. It's positioned as a mid-range machine but brings in features often found on higher-end models, making it a strong choice for users who want more creative freedom. It comes with 165 built-in stitches, including utility, heirloom, decorative, and quilting patterns, along with 8 one-step buttonholes. Everything is managed through a large LCD screen and easy push-button controls. The layout makes selecting and adjusting stitches straightforward, even for beginners moving up from mechanical machines. It also includes a built-in needle threader and a drop-in bobbin system, which helps streamline setup. The HC1850 performs well with a variety of fabrics. It handles multiple layers confidently, and the feed dogs do a solid job keeping materials moving evenly. Stitching remains clean and balanced even at higher speeds. Whether you're sewing clothing, making home decor items, or trying out quilting projects, this machine holds up nicely. It also comes with useful extras: a wide extension table, 8 presser feet, and a hard case for storage or transport. The generous workspace is a big help for large fabric pieces or quilt tops. One small drawback is the overall size. While it's great for bigger projects, it does take up more room than basic models. And if you're used to simpler machines, the array of features might feel like a lot at first. Overall, it's a great option for hobbyists who want room to grow, offering sewing and quilting flexibility without the price tag of a premium machine. Number 3. Juki HC1850. If you're after power and precision in a sewing machine that brings industrial-level features into a home setup, the Juki HC1850 stands out. Designed for serious hobbyists and advanced users, it's built to handle demanding sewing tasks while maintaining stitch quality and speed. This machine comes with 106 built-in stitches, including 3 fonts for lettering and monogramming. It uses Juki's box feed technology, which moves fabric in a straight box-like motion rather than the traditional elliptical feed. This gives you more accuracy in fabric feeding and fewer issues with shifting, especially when working with thick or layered materials. The powerful motor can deliver up to 900 stitches per minute, helping you finish larger projects faster without sacrificing control. Performance is where the F300 really earns its place. It breezes through long seams, multiple fabric layers, and heavy-duty materials like denim or canvas. Stitching stays even and balanced even at top speed. Whether you're working on a detailed quilt or garment construction, it delivers consistent results. The machine also features a large LCD screen that makes it easy to navigate settings. You can even save custom stitch sequences using the memory function. The foot control includes a thread trimming feature, a small but handy detail. It also excels at buttonholes, offering 16 auto-size styles. It's not the most portable model, weighing in at about 21 pounds, and it does sit at the higher end of the price range. But for users who need speed, power, and customization, it offers a strong return. Best for experienced sewers who want professional-level features in a domestic machine. Number 2. Brother CS7000X. The Brother CS7000X is one of the most well-rounded sewing machines in its class. It offers a smart balance of price, functionality, and ease of use, making it a popular choice for beginners looking to grow, as well as more experienced sewers who want a reliable, all-purpose machine. It comes with 70 built-in stitches, including quilting, decorative, and utility options. There are also 7 one-step buttonholes, all managed through an easy-to-read LCD screen. You'll find an automatic needle threader and drop-in bobbin system to simplify setup, and the adjustable speed control helps you stay in control whether you're sewing fast seams or taking it slow on detail work. A start and stop button gives you the option to sew without using the foot pedal, which can be a helpful feature for some. Despite weighing just around 11 pounds, this machine performs well on a wide variety of fabrics, from denim to knits and light quilting layers. The included wide table makes a noticeable difference for larger projects like quilts, curtains, or costume sewing. It also comes with 10 presser feet, a hard case, and a quilting guide, which adds a lot of value. Operation is smooth, and it produces minimal vibration, even at higher speeds. There are a few minor trade-offs. It's not built for thick or multi-layered heavy-duty projects, and it doesn't include an automatic thread cutter. But for day-to-day sewing and creative projects, it handles most tasks with ease. Ideal for beginners who want room to advance or for experienced sewers looking for a dependable, feature-rich machine that won't take up too much space. Number 1. Brother HC1850. Topping our list is the Brother HC1850, a sewing and quilting machine that blends ease of use, solid performance, and an extensive feature set. Whether you're a beginner looking to upgrade or a hobbyist who wants more flexibility, this model is built to handle a wide range of tasks without the steep learning curve. It offers 185 built-in stitches, including 8 auto-size buttonholes and several built-in monogramming fonts for decorative or personalized work. The backlit LCD screen gives you quick access to settings, while features like speed control, drop-in bobbin, and needle up and down positioning add extra convenience. It also comes with a detailed instructional DVD and a detachable quilting table, great for larger fabric pieces. Performance-wise, the HC1850 handles everyday projects and more demanding tasks with ease. It's strong enough to work through denim, layers of cotton, or light batting. That's user-friendly enough for someone who's just learning the ropes. Stitch quality is consistent across the board, even with more complex decorative options. It weighs about 10.1 pounds, making it easy to carry to sewing classes or store when not in use. Included in the box are 8 presser feet, a hard case, and the extension table, giving you all the essentials to get started on everything from clothes to quilts. As for trade-offs, it lacks an automatic thread cutter and doesn't offer adjustable presser foot pressure, which may affect certain specialty materials. But those are relatively minor compared to the overall functionality it delivers. A great all-around pick for hobbyists, advanced beginners, and light quilting professionals who want a reliable, portable, and well-equipped sewing machine. That wraps up our list of the top 6 sewing machines for 2025. Whether you're just getting started or sewing is already part of your routine, there's something here that fits your needs and budget. From beginner-friendly models to machines built for quilting and customization, each one offers a mix of performance and practicality. Check the links in the description if you want to learn more about any of the machines mentioned. If you found this video helpful, feel free to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more guides like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.